Hey y'all! So this is just going to be a very quick reaction regarding the Maris Racal cheating issue. So I would say this, it's poor and it's very sad, and I've always taught myself to see the beauty in it, to see the beauty in the faces of the children, and to be grateful. Char. Anyways, kidding aside, so let's get to the issue. Basically, after nagpa-interview siya, what came across to the public actually is that her apology was not sincere. So it's ingenuine. Kasi if you are able to notice, kahit separate or not considering the words that she was saying, just by the look on her face or how the body language, you can tell na kumbaga, hindi siya sincere. Alam mo yun? Kasi she was trying to make this effort to convince people na totoo yung sinasabi niya. On the contrary, kasi if you are telling the truth, you are a bit more relaxed. Kumbaga, wala ka namang tinatry kasi alam mo na yung totoo. Kumbaga, you don't have to make that effort. So you can try to search. At just an example, yung nagsasabi ng totoo, yung PBB housemate na si Kisses, doing the lie detector test. So parang lang siya, kumbaga medyo laid back lang siya. She is just laying it all out in the open. Wala siyang tinatry protect or anything. Sabi niya lang na doon, gusto kong sabihin na ganito pero hindi yung totoo. Kumbaga, bahala na kayo mag-judge pero this is my truth. Which is hindi ganun yung parang naging vibe nung interview ni Maris. Tapos yung sinasabi ng ibang tao na nag-sorry siya sa public, sa supporters niya, but the two victims or yung people na nasaktan niya, hindi niya sinabi, hindi siya I'm sorry Jam, I'm sorry Rico. Parang hindi siya make apology siya to the public. Wala namang kasalanan ng public. It's yun nga, yung parang nasira yung relasyon kay Jam. Hindi niya yun binanggit. Kasi yung sinasabi niya dun sa interview niya is that clueless daw siya. Hindi niya alam na sila pa, ganon-ganon. Which is doubtful. Or parang, sabi pa nga ni Tito Boy, kasi nag-comment si Tito Boy na, kung hindi niya talaga alam na sila, then why is there that screenshot na, can you delete the message daw? Gets mo? Yung parang ganon. Kasi someday di na kailangan. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Bakit mo kailangan mag-delete ng message, ng screenshot kung wala kang tinatago? At ano ibig sabihin nun ng someday na di na kailangan? Ibig sabihin, she has this awareness na baka bawal pa ngayon. Right? So, also, she said na, I don't want to play the victim here. Yun yung sinabi niya ha. But based on the interview, what she was saying is actually, she doesn't know. And she was innocent kasi the moment that she was doing that, she thought that the guy was single. So, yung sinasabi niya is, yung isang tao dito, yung parang nag-lie sa kanya na hindi niya alam na yung lumalabas, biktima lang din pala siya. Pero sabi niya, I'm not trying to play the victim. Pero parang wala naman siyang, parang most of the blame is actually being transferred to this other person na wala pang sinasabi at that moment. So basically, medyo contradicting siya, sinasabi niya na I will take accountability of everything. If you're taking accountability of everything, then why are you putting the blame on the other person? I mean, like, taking accountability, magsalita ka, aminin mo yung part mo, yung sa iba, let them take accountability for them. Hindi mo naman kailangan na i-mention pa yon or parang hatakin yung pagkakamali ng iba, tapos yun yung ididiin mo sa interview mo. Ganon kasi yung parang lumalabas na jest nung interview niya, na parang it wasn't me. It was this other person. Ganon. Tapos sinabi niya doon na sa simula pa lang, it all starts nung lonely daw siya, na parang down or something. But as most people know or would say na being lonely is not a valid excuse to cheat on other people. I mean like, kung lonely ka, yes, you can pero you can actually choose the person na pag-aanuhan mo. Especially kung halimbawa itong isang tao is nasa relationship or kabe-break lang, why would you even entertain? Alam mo yon, yung parang hindi ka nga sure kung kasi gagaling lang sa relationship tapos ini-entertain mo na kasi you're lonely and stuff. Basically, sabi niya nga na parang nagiget niya yung attention na parang gusto niya. And if you are not sure kung sila or hindi, you can actually, as girl code, reach out to the girl. Like, hindi mo kailangan tanungin si Anthony. You can just go directly to Jam and ask her, Jam, inaano ako ni parang ganito ganyan, kayo pa rin ba? Or ganun. But she never did. So, she only did it, nag-reach out lang siya ng November, which is too late na. Kasi madami nang nangyari from June to October, right? So, ang hindi ko lang masyadong nagustuhan sa sinabi ni Maris is parang nung lumabas daw yung screenshot, sabi niya, that's the perfect narrative that there was this other woman and there was this apologetic boyfriend or avoidant boyfriend and there was this scorned woman, which is parang meaning to say, sinasabi niya that there was a narrative that was created. Mind you, the narrative is not something na parang sinulat lang ni Jam. It was actually screenshots, which means to say that somebody has written those messages. And it was they themselves, Maris and Anthony, has written that. So parang to say na it was a perfect narrative, kayo mismo ang sumulat ng messages, right? I mean like, hindi naman siya like trinay to manipulate, in-expose lang yung messages na sinulat nila. So parang, skeptic na yung public. One more thing, kasi dati nagsinungaling na siya nung in-interview siya, I'm not sure, June, July, na parang nung nag-break sila ni Rico, Anthony is out of the picture. Tapos ngayon, biglang sasabihin niya na it's because of Anthony kaya siya napag-break kay Rico. So parang medyo hindi mo na alam kung ano ba yung totoo sa sinasabi niya. Although, it could be that she was also pushed by the management to actually do that to save face, to save career. Kasi si Maris, if I'm not mistaken, meron siyang upcoming movie for MMFF. Tapos meron siyang upcoming teleserye, Incognito, maybe in January or something. So, it can be affected by that. Kasi imbis na madami yung manonood, kasi makikita si Maris at si Anthony, baka, wag na tayo manood dito, mabad trip lang tayo. So, it could affect like the rating or yung mga pupunta sa sinehan para manood that. So, it's, maybe sinabihan siya na, maggawin mo to, sabihin mo yan, I'm not sure. But this video is not to bash her, of course, kasi sa totoo lang naman, everybody of us has that like secret or something na dark side. Wala namang malinis. Kumbaga, ikaw, ako, lahat tayo, meron tayong ginagawa. It's just that, yung sa kanya kasi, siya, celebrity, public figure, kaya, parang mahirap magkamali. Kasi everybody has opinions and everybody get to judge you. Kasi public figure pa ka. Yung sa akin lang is that this is actually an opportunity for her to be truthful. Kasi imbis na mag-save fish siya, parang mag-defend siya, just use the interview to say your truth. Alam mo yun? Kasi yung impression kasi ng interview, it sounds like she is trying to justify her actions. And basically, she is trying to say na parang she's innocent and then this other person ang may kasalanan talaga. Alam mo yung ganon? So, imbes na aanuhan ka ng tao, hindi na lang kasi ikaw mismo, hindi mo maano yung totoo talaga. Kasi nga, siguro, your career is on the line, we get that. But, yun, sayang lang yung opportunity. Kasi, more often than not, when you are truthful, people can tell. And imbis na parang idiin ka nila sa kasalanan mo, the fact that you have the courage or the bravery to admit it, and as a human being, na hindi na inaano ng tao yung parang na ganito ka, ganyan. Kasi at least you were brave enough to tell it. Pero kung defend ka ng defend and you have this resisting vibe na parang may gusto kang people can tell. I mean, the public can tell na parang, it's not really, kasi you're just trying to, parang, naguhugas kamay ka lang. Parang ganon. So, I understand it's very hard to admit, especially when all of the Philippines or all the world is watching. But, yeah, I guess sayang lang yung opportunity na pwede niya naman sabihin na, nagkamali ako, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, I'm sorry, I'm just human and stuff. And, yun kasi yung kasi hindi natin maano yung puso o kaya yung feelings. Mas maganda yun kesa nang puro because I didn't know, I asked him to reveal ganyan pero hindi naman siya nagtanong kay Jam kung sila pa ba or what not. So yun lang naman, very quick reaction. So that's it, ciao.